My reading from Eli Pariser was all about a shifting world. So filter bubbles are online when we are searching and when we are on social media or really just any website. But now Pariser talks about that when we are going online to buy different things and going to different websites, depending on what we click on, the websites will personalize to our experience. So on this next slide, I show just what our different experiences could look like. So when I visit one website, it could actually look very different than from what you are seeing. And they're saying that businesses are getting smarter, that people have different views and they like different things. They like to see different things on the websites. So some people might want like a calmer background. Other people might want just like a harder, crisp edge. And so these businesses are using what we are clicking on to customize our experience. So every single website that we go to will look different for you and for I. Something else that Pariser talks about in the Shifting World chapter is that the world, not only our online world, but our worlds where we're, seeing people in real life is actually going to change too. And they talked about OkCupid and how on their dating website you fill out a bunch of different questions and get matched to somebody. Well, in the future, they're thinking that, well, maybe you can just hold up your camera and you can scan around the room. They can look up people's profiles and tell you who's a match for you. So it's just really interesting how they're saying that this online filter bubble is really going into what we're going to buy, and then it also going to our real world with people. So eventually it's a shifting world because the online filter bubble will not just be online. It is going to be our entire world, and it will actually be hard to escape. So this is just really interesting to think about.